Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am again here with this lesson 2 of conditional formatting. Today we will learn the practical application of this conditional formatting, and we will start with its first option, that is highlight cell rules. So let's learn how to use highlight cell rules option of conditional formatting. Let's explore this in software. So this is Excel. I have designed a sheet for you. This is the annual sales summary of a company, ABC company, you can say it. These are the name of the employees. This is their target, this is their achievement, and this is the percentage of their achievement. On this percentage, we will apply the highlight cell rules. I have made 3 rules for the practice. The first one is anyone achieving more than 100% of their target is shown in blue. Anyone achieving less than 100% of their target is shown in red. Anyone achieving exact 100% of their target shown in green. Okay, let's learn how to do it. First of all, highlight these values which are under the percentage field. Then go in conditional formatting. This is the highlight cell rule. The first one is we have to color the values blue if the sale is more than 100%. So we will take the first one, greater than 1. So here we will type from the keyboard 100%, and from here we'll tell which kind of color or formatting we want. So blue color is not here. We'll go here in custom format. Here we can click on blue and then click on OK. See, all the values more than 100% turns to blue. Now again, let's apply the second option. Anyone achieving less than 100% of their target is shown in red. Again, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, less than 100%. So what is our criteria? We want is in red. Okay, so it's now red. Now let's apply the second rule. Anyone achieving exactly 100% of their target, again highlight cell rule, equals to and we want it in green color. So let's see, the green is also not here, so we'll go in custom format, and in this under this we have the colors, so we'll choose the dark green color. Okay, see, now automatically now later on if you apply any other data, automatically it will change in this column. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned practical application of the first option of conditional formatting. Stay tuned to learn the other option. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.